Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to this new tutorial on the gentletourino.com. Today, the subject of the tutorial of today will be about how to make an on-off button on your web page. So this button we're gonna create it using only CSS3 and a few lines of Jquery code or JS in general. I had to do this button. I mean to create this button for an interview for a job, and it took me about 2 hours just to figure out what the type of this is. It a checkbox or a radio box or something like that? I don't know about it. So now, and I bet that a lot of you now think that this is a radio box, which is not in fact. This is a checkbox. And yeah, let's just see how to create it. So here on Sublime Text 2, I've opened my folder, my root folder for that tutorial. So I have on-off folder, a script folder that holds the jQuery file, JS in general, and then a style folder that holds the default.css. So that's gonna hold the CSS code for our page, and then the index page. So let's open the index page. As you can see, HTML5 with a title, and here a link to my CSS folder or my CSS file. Then this is a link for a font that I use it from Google, and here a link to the jQuery.js. Here nothing interesting, so just H3 headline form, and what interests us is the div here. So as you can see, I put a hidden input with the type checkbox so that the user cannot see it, and a label for that. So the idea of creating this button is to put the CSS code for this div. So this is not going to be, the user cannot see this, but still can click, check or uncheck, and the CSS will just the CSS then to have the two states on and off on the div. And the label is this little circle here, white circle. So this is the circle that's gonna tell us on or off, and the div is what the entourage of this circle. So this is why. So as you can see, we have two states: the on state, which is active now, and on the off state. So this is why I've defined two states: the off and the on state. Now let's see what is CSS for the off state. So for the div, we set the width for 84 pixels or 48 pixels. So sorry, 20 pixels for height. Background is what gives us this gray color, and then the margin, I put it 20 pixels, and then we have a radius. So this is for Chrome web browser, Mozilla browser, a normal web browser. So it's around 50 pixels, and the position is relative. And then we define a label. So the label, as you can see, should give us this circular chip. So the display should be black. The width is 70 pixels, 70 pixels, 17 pixels, yeah, 17 pixels, and the background is white. And then I put radius of 25 pixels. Position is absolute, and then just a few margin. And the left, for the label, So for the left here is when you click on, when you check, so the little circle should move right and leave, the left for 34 pics. Let's explain it. So for example, when I click, so this is around 34 pics. Okay, and now the other state is on. So the same thing here, except I'm going to change the background color with this. That gives that color here, that color one, and nothing changed. So the change is going to be in the label. So the same thing, nothing changed except here. So left is now 28 pics. It's not important. For the index page, we have the two states or the two sets of classes, and now we need to set the class depending on whether the user checked or not. Okay, so when you check the active class, when uncheck the disabled class or disabled state. So I'm gonna prefer a script tag. I'm gonna hold my jQuery codes. So jQuery open, and then the name of the checkbox is like tree. So I'm gonna select it, and then a collect function. I'm gonna get the value, so let's put it in a variable, the value of this, so checked. So if it is checked, we need to assign the state active, else we need to assign the state, or the state disabled. Like we said, it's the div that's gonna be styled out. So document get element ID and class name will be equal to this one here with it active. Okay, perfect. Another case, disabled, and I think we're done. So on off, let's even try to change color here for active. So just see that I'm working down. It should give us right now, yeah. Perfect. So I'm just gonna set it to the color before, and yeah. So as you can see, that was the idea of this small tutorial. I hope it could help you guys, and see you another time with another tutorial.